Oh Lord, this is a sticky situation. Hello everybody, this is Queen Olive. Yeah, this is Queen Olive. Ever since yesterday, I'd like everybody to like and share my video, because what I'm here with my input with the situation is nothing but the truth. I am not here to put down nobody. I am not here to discriminate nobody. I am just going to put in my input about Gully, because I think I know Gully very well, because he was living here in my house for at least 1 year, and a lot of people knows that. So I would like to like and share. Everybody like and share. And while I'm on the phone, I don't want while I'm on the live, I don't want nobody to call me to interrupt or stop the live while I'm doing the live. Please, I don't want no one to call me, because I'm just going to put my little input about him. I am not going to say, because you remember, everybody, if you all remember when Queen Olive say he's somebody's child and he's a human being, I said that when I used to do the live, when people used to put him down and used to curse him, because we all know that he don't have no manners. He don't know how to accept people love. When people give him love, he don't know how to accept thanks and everything. So I come with my little input to say what I know. Hi Venetia. Hello, how you doing, Venetia? Hi, I just come to put my little input, you know. I'm not here, I'm not gonna bring him down, I'm not gonna put him down, I'm not gonna throw him to the garbage, I'm not gonna grind him and thing, because you know, as I hear how everything is going, and everybody say, oh, all I'm woman them and all who I'm friend them, which I don't think that was necessary, you know, and all who they get a walk off of him and all those things. Hi, Kenny's Williams. Yes, so I just come to put my little input. Nobody that lady didn't call my name, but Veronica, big up yourself. But I see in a lot of the comments people say call Miss Olive. Let me tell you, hi Rosie, Miss Olive always doing for BAP. Always doing for BAP. Always. Miss Olive always doing. So what I'm saying now, BAP have a good side of him, and also he has a bad side of him. The bad side, okay, hold on a second. Don't go nowhere, nobody. Yeah. Hello? No, that car, that's it. Back beside of you. Back there? You can't get into me? Yeah, I want to talk to you. And call me back. No, cause your phone never talk to him, pan. Okay, so alright, so call me back. Alright.
Mari, I knew it. Hi.
Yes, everybody. I'm sorry for the interruption. I said no one to call me, but someone called me, and that was a call I was waiting for. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that that interruption. So as I say, I know him enough. I know him a lot more than some people know him, because he was living right here in my house. As I could tell you, he never stole nothing from me. He never thief nothing. He never do nothing, but he was in here. But after he feel like he was getting too big and bold, the ladies them on the phone disencourage him from here and let him start to disrespect me. And remember, as I'm saying it right here from my heart, as much as he disrespect me and he left here, I never treat him bad. Never ever treat him bad. Yes. I never treat him bad, because I remember when he get locked up, that's when the first time I knew him. I wanted to know him so long because I like the story behind his music, and I said I really want to know this person. So when he was locked up by Amari, I went to the courthouse, and when I went to the courthouse, I take a picture of him and sent to my daughter and asked my daughter, this is Gully Bop? And she said yes. When I pointing to him and point to the guy and said, somebody talking to you, I said, no, I am talking to you. So when I bailed him, I called all his fans and friends and everybody for them to come and get him. Nobody come get him, so him leave right on my hand. And when him leave on my hand, I took him into my house. And when I took him to my house, I have him here. And when I was doing a catering, so we was at the back doing some jerk pork and jerk chicken. So he said, this house is yours? I said, yes. And when I said yes, he said, if when him go Jamaica and come back, him can stay. I said yes. And I tell you now, from this on, me start get beaten. Me get beaten from every angle. Me get beaten from. Because them feel like me I go take him and take what all we him same have. But never have no money. I take him in. I supporting him with my money, which is my rent income money. I support him. I buy him clothes. I give him food. I give him everything. He live here. People curse me. People tell me all kind of things. Big up on yourself, Nadine, Debisha, Michelle. Big up everybody who is on here, because I am putting in my input with the situation with Bob. When I heard that Bob sick, I have my people down there, and I send money to buy insure, colostomy bag, and I send them down and he get them. Then I send money again to buy food. I tell him, don't give him the money, because if we give Bob the money, Bob is going to spend off all the money. When Bob realized that I'm sending money to somebody, Bob cursed out that person so bad and say his manager send money and the person take all his money. But I still send the money. And that person, every time he come amongst Bob, Bob go amongst him, he give Bob food. When Bob gets sick, is him carry back to the doctor, because Bob let me know him. You understand me? So when a lot of people in the comments say, call Miss Olive, call Miss Olive, I'm a private person. Whatsoever I do it from my heart. Remember, I always tell everybody, Bob is a human being like anybody else, and he need love just like anyone else. And you say, Amari, bring that man down to what he is. Amari locked him up, and when Amari locked him up, I bailed him. And after I bailed him, Amari sent the cops back right here at my house to lock up me and Bob this time. When they caught him outside there, he go outside and come in, they caught him, and he goes down to the courthouse. Amari said himself, I go cut out Fair Belly and the twins them belly, Beauty and Sapphire, or what them name belly. And when a lady called Amari, I said, why are you doing that? She says, not she. When we know say are true. When them lock him up, him come back and in the right here till Bob decide getting unruly, because very unruly. Bob said, everybody have 2 years old, but him have 2 extra one inside there, so him hard days, him not listen to nobody. I said, okay. I give him a room, I give him clothes, I give him food, I give him money. People sending money for Bob. Bob go to the Western Union, collects money and collect money, and I never know. I remember when he meet a Browning and he has somebody, he do some jingles or something for somebody, and he gave me $400 to keep. And that girl said she want money to buy shoes. The brown skin girl, where them say with cartel. And when I gave him the money, he run and go buy sneakers. And every day the girl come take him up and go with him and say, Me, I teach him for cut peel onion and them. So me never put back in my kitchen for come peel no onion or cook nothing for me because me alone can cook in my kitchen. And my kitchen never big enough to hold nobody in my kitchen. Till him decides that him want to go because there's a girl from Florida start telling him can come down there and live and all kind of thing. And when he decided to get very disrespectful on me, he cursed me and tell me all kind of thing. I was out of my mind. I was out of my mind because Bob tell me he would never ever disrespect me. And he left and go to Katy. And he tell everybody how I take away all his money. Bob never have no money. When I goes to Bank of America and when I know somebody down there and they check his account, Bob have 24 cents in his 24 cents in his account. Katy then go and change it all over back. Katy then corrupt him mind against me. But Bob still there at Katy and tell me everything what going on and all what they saying about me. And all who saying things about me. Because he think he was going in paradise. He never knows him go down in a more destruction. So he keep on talking to Amari, keep on talking to Amari. And he keep on talking to Amari. And Amari, he tell Amari come in. And through him don't go, Amari set the police them upon him when he was in the car. And make them take him and lock him up. And when them lock him up, he go home to come back to go court. And he never come back. I went to the courthouse because here him was, because it's me go back to bail him put up my house this time. When I put up my house this time, you know the people, the fans them in the internet tell him fake run where I make me lose my house for a reason me no know. Then call me all kind of name. They call me monkey girl and then put me in a monkey. The one named Tommy Grant. Tommy Grant make a picture with me like a monkey. The time she used to go to Katy yard. She make a picture with me to make me a monkey. I say, oh, me not make them that bother me because if me a monkey, me still a survivor, me still a live, and me still a live in my house. If I don't know me the right here so. And all the things them that they do to me, and all the things that they say to me, all the ladies them send them cat in my phone, me they in a church, the big cat them come up so blood up in my face, in a bus blood up in my face, then do me all kind of thing. Bob set girl from where him live for cuss me, and the people then cuss me. I mean then I do him nothing bad. Him go to Jamaica every minute. I me take out my money and pay a fare for him go and say when he come back him have this I work for do, this I work for do, this I work for do, and he never give me $1 back. I know a certain individual lady send $100 fee him every Thursday. And when Bob did for come up, the individual lady send the plane fare and give Bob. I told her not to give it to him. He'd have a friend down the name Paul Webb to give Paul Webb the money for buy the ticket. I caught him on the phone talking my name with there's another certain individual lady. And when he was talking about me with the lady, he's tell the lady, say, I tell her if you cuss her, done her and all them things. And me still have the heart of an angel by still sending things down there for Bob. I send things. So till, like God said to me, say, stop. Because every time that's me send $1, like there's a hole in my account leaking out all my money. And I decided to stop. That's why I stopped sending money to Bob and send it to that person for that person give him the money. I send money to buy colostomy bag. I send money to buy insure. I send money for him to get food to eat. And he knows that. I am not saying people not to help him. You know, you all could help him. All that's it. It's true. I remember when Bob was on the line, he used to start call me, let out the monkey, let out the monkey. So tell him, I'll tell him same say I'll go so come out of my house. I'm cousin from Georgia, so he said, Bob, stop tell lie. I went to Miss Olive house and there's one entrance out of Miss Olive house and there's no thing there. Yeah? Yeah, he comes and lie, say how Rika pregnant, we send down money for Rika for go do abortion. All them things. May I tell you, some things when do. Some things what he do to me, but I still put those behind me. because I said he need love. You know, after he come out of the gully, he didn't need therapy. He didn't need tutoring. Nobody didn't do that. Everybody just run him, run him down, put him on stage, put him to do this, put him to do that. They didn't teach him how to use money. They didn't teach him how to have respect to people. They didn't teach him nothing. So he think he's above everybody. And one of the things that he have done when they licked the lady car, he tell the lady about the lady is a old car when he was driving a rental car. So he do a lot of things. So some of the things that were coming back around for him now is he getting, what they call it, recorrection, or what you call it, he's getting. But still people can help him, because sickness don't respect nobody. You could have $1 million, $1 trillion, but I am telling everybody, if we not give back the money, him now go look about him myself, him go him shop, go buy the thing where him want, and don't go look about himself, because that's what he used to do me. Every time if he call Monday, by Tuesday morning him call again, Wednesday morning him call again. And true, me don't know what it is like down there. I always feel sorry for him and keep sending money. And I could draw all my Western Union paper and send it and show people how much money. I never get $1. I remember he gave me $400 to keep. And when he come back for the $400, I have the money, but it did I don't know what happened, but $5, it's short of $5 because I have a $20 or something. I don't remember how it go. And if you hear him behave, and I get it and I give him and say, you have to go. And people may go telling you right now, yes sir, I swear upon my 4 children, my 9 grandchildren, and my 2 great-grand, I never throw Bob out of my house. Bob said, look how me I gonna make the people and down you on Facebook. And Bob take up him things them and throw them through the house. Draw them to the house and throw them at the doorway. If me did draw my camera upon him, it would be one of the biggest shame in the world. And to me still not want him feel bad. Me never draw a camera where I could draw a camera upon Bob and show him, can me ever have a camera in my house. But I felt bad for him. I felt so bad for him I didn't do it. You see when you go over Catty, you went tell Catty say, me do like how me do I live, you know. I would show up my things about the people and come cuss you to, you know. Yeah, because Catty thinks that she get gold bucket because she make Bob a full up her head, say she have a lot of money. Say you have a lot of money. Big up yourself, Donna. Big up yourself, Heather. Esther, big up yourself. I am not here to bring Bob down. I'm not telling a lie upon him. But if people often want to help him, y'all could help him. But I know every one of us here, Jamaica, around the whole world, know that Bob sick. Everybody. So when me all here say Shana come up and cry, say she never knows sense sick. They are wicked and lie. Everybody, everyone know that Bob sick. Amari know that Bob sick. Me I go play something with Amari do. Thursday night. Listen to this. Where Amari the Thursday night. So when Amari come with her lie itself, watch this. Hold on.
Why the face?
Ask me that one more time and I will you up.
Okay, I'm gonna play it again, make you hear it.
Alright.
Okay, what's wrong? Hold on.
Where's Bob? Why the face?
Ask me that one more time and I will you up.
See? She take Bapton one puppy show.
I knew it.
Hi, Mari. Where's Bob? Why the face?
Ask me that one more time and I will up.
You see, what happened? She's doing a TikTok. So,
I knew it.
when she doing the TikTok, she have Destiny asking her where is Papa. You hear she say, ask me that one more time and she will F up
Why the face?
Destiny.
Ask me that.
But yes, still, as soon as she hear Dana call her name, like she wait for Dana call her name, 10 years, she run up and I run up go call Dana and I talk like say. I run up and I'm gonna go on like say, she now so interested and cares about him, she's gonna take him up. Where she gonna take him and put him? And she can't take up anybody here. Anybody for take up Bap is him wife. So we have enough more for come out, you know, the wife soon come out, come share fair story too. We have enough more his wife. Anybody remember Bap wife name? Put it on the internet here. Is the wife coming? And also the manager. Jackie Haunted, when you used to text it for me. That's why I made have this big crowd, and them take down my crowd, take on my page because I put happy birthday to him. Nobody knows Bap like how I know. We remember one girl come from manage Bap and carry Bap go an African parade in a Manhattan. And as Bap come back, when Bap reach and Bap no know we can see the girl them you know care about we. No. 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 And as soon as we reach our gate, but your Bap take off all of the clothes and fling them down on the ground. Like when you take care of a hog, you wash a hog and put on clean clothes. He just dirty back up himself in the while I walk up himself in the dirt. And cuss up the girl and behave bad. The girl said she the manager. The girl come, she stay, she do all kind of things just say help Bap. And he never. Auntie Dana always care about. I didn't say that Dana don't care about Amari did care about Bap Miss Olive. Who that says so? If she did care about Bap, she wouldn't tell them say Bap go cut out her pitney and fear belly and throw it with part what's a view. Make them lock him up. Amari make Bap that Jamaica. I Bap would run right here now. She 3 times she lock up that man for no reason. She said she just didn't want to get a bus. And she don't get her bus what she wants, so she don't have nothing to do with him. So who thought that day? It's okay, you could talk. Y'all could talk because some of you people are just a pack of hypocrites. That's all I could say. A lot of you never likes me for what I don't know. Me not beg on nothing. Me not live under the roof or nothing. So me no know. When time when I say Amari did like, if you didn't like a man, you don't lock up the man. You don't lock up the man because you want him to come back at your house. You take out pad, knock him in the face. She's a downfall man for him. And because he thinks that now he did reach in a gold bucket, he did up under her until him get away from her. Look when Taya dead, where Amari go and wish all the bad in the world against Taya. Remember, Taya never talked to me no, because Taya used to carry my name to Amari. And me got Taya funeral. And I never thinks no bad about that girl and how Amari do Taya. So me no know what no talk say. You know what? Anyhow, but me not list, me not watch what no say because some other people have amnesia, some other get licking on no head and all kind of thing. But as me say again, Bap need love likes anybody else. And you know what I'm saying? When the head of the stream is dirty, there is nobody to cut it and clean it. And Bap don't having dirty way, nobody can change him. So all who want to help him, it is okay, help him. Because I help him and I still helping him. When Bap Redding call me and tell me one set of long story from here to downtown or to Jericho Wall, and me fall for it and take my things and send go give him. Always I help him. You understand? So all who want to help him, disregard all the things them that he has done, and y'all could help him. But me know me go through hell or hell, but never like me for no reason at all. No reason at all, and I never done the man nothing more than when I hear the story behind him, how him got to be a singer. I said I would really, really like to see this person. You see, Ashanti can't tell you, him come cuss me because them come cuss because they want to make money on the internet. Because if you don't listen to everything on the internet, you don't go to hell gate. Him know when me whisper to Ashanti and say, you know, my house me use and thing, but don't tell me pitney. He go tell me pitney them. The pitney did upset, but he did done gone bad already. One individual tell Bob say, me now go get back the money and them go take me house. So me sit down and me see you come, me start fret. Me go down there. Them say, oh, we did something missing. We didn't have the address right properly. And I go down there right now. Just send me check, come give me back where me pay. You understand? Because they have all of them, I tell him all kind of thing, and them know, so the man uncle, him have good remembrance to sing, him have good remembrance to do what him doing, but him not have the sense, him not have the good sense of humor to know what is right from wrong. But me I tell you, say, Bob have a sweet part of him, and him have a dirty part of him, and the dirty part of him like dip upon the woman. Monday me hear my cuss somebody at KPH hospital, and I tell the nurse them say how them and the arms stink. You imagine say you could have done the asylum people that take care of you cuss them, and then Wednesday, Thursday you come up and looking for help. What draw you over there? Me wanna know you just reach over there, so I mean know anybody I got 99. Yes, he easily influence people. Me know anybody I got 99. Have to inform them because they can't drive got 99. So how come him just reach a 99 with a pastor? Figure look help. This sound funny to me. Eh? This sound funny to me. He just reached over there. Let me tell you no something. You have old time people would say, keep on your mouth. And anything you know I don't know, do it with the truth and the right, because he gonna come back and lash back. Yeah. He gonna come back and lash back. Like volcano. Me remember nowadays Gracie's go do one live and collect some money and come back and come cuss out Gracie. But then get too much money and not give him it. Pastor man, you better know when you get the money. You know what to do. Because the individual when he send money to, it cost this money so often, so till it's coming like it's no cost to the person. The person don't make it bother no more. More than one time he come to him and ask him, and give him. And whether I ask him when he come down, then call him and say, man, come you know, go buy some breakfast or go do this. He always get it. I mean, I have a company, so I look no love or no likes from nobody. And come tell no lie. Me know me do from my heart. And people by us know me do. And people by us used to send money for him. And when they send money for him, and when the money not reach in time, in dip up at the people and about them big this or that gal. And the son stop. He get money for buying ticket for come back here. And let me correct, you know, too. Let me correct you all people. Let me correct everybody right here. I do not know who named Tommy Faye. I do not know who named Tommy Faye. The second time my name get entangled with this Tommy Faye business. I know Bob manager named Jackie Hunt. Bob manager named Jackie Hunt. Let me show you a picture. I do not know thing there. This is the lady named Jackie Hunt. This is Jackie Hunt. You see her? That's Jackie Hunt, the lady we say she a manager, where them say in a cripple chair, and she in a chair because she called me face talk. That's how I get this thing. She cursed me 24/7s. She cursed me 24/7s, and she take down my page. This is Jackie Hunt. I do not know Tommy Faye. And you're getting it mixed up. So please correct it, everybody. This is Tommy is my friend from Canada. Tommy wasn't Bop manager. Tommy wasn't Bop manager. Tommy is from Canada, and Tommy passed away. May her soul rest in peace. Tommy Grant was the one who used to go to Cathy house, and she and Bop used to friend, and Bop disrespect her and say she smell like poo. Bop take picture with her when she go bathe in the bathroom or come round, and also Tommy gave Bop disease because she and him used to sleep, and Bop told me and other people told me that it was true, and Cathy and she goes to the hospital in Queens and get herself cured. So y'all stop mix up people. Me don't know who named Tommy Faye. I don't know. I never see a picture of Tommy Faye yet. Jackie Hunt will take away money, take away all I sang them, pay him for them, and send a little 30 pound, a little 10 pound. You would say she want to go to job. She send down, alright, me just remember Bob's wife name. She send down Deborah for go married to Bob, for bring Bob come up. And Deborah got down there and fall in love with Bob and married to Bob. And when she married to Bob now, Jackie Hunt and Deborah fall out. That's why Bob and Deborah couldn't agree. They couldn't agree because Jackie and her fall out. And I said everything mash up right there. So when you hear say Amaria jump up on the top about say she a go send for him where Amari live in the city house. Amari live in the city up here. Amari rent. You know what day she go Florida and she couldn't find her way for come back from Florida. She not no money. Where she go find money? She go talk big and show off herself. She's looking at hype. That's what she's doing. She don't cares about him. She's the one bring him down there. Him have the one that can piece of teeth in her mouth and she can't go take out the one teeth left out her mouth. Me always tell people, Bob tell people say no eat from me, into the food and throw give the dog. All kind of something. Me have all them picture here. Me have all these pictures here can show no Bob eating in my house. Yeah. Yep, I go show you them. This is Bob and his brother. Bob brother come here. Bob cousin come here. And this is Bob brother that live in America. And when Bob brother got help Bob cuss him off and say I look a bus off of him. And I saw Bob cause nothing there. So me used to have Bob in my house look good. Look on Bob. Trench coat looking good. That a Gully Bob. Alright. This is Bob. Again. You see him? Looking good. Me did have him in here look good. So when them people accost me and I tell me all kind of thing. See back there. Bob I eat round my island. And Bob saying take the food and feed the pigeon them. See it there? Still no hate him. Watch him on it. Watch him eating food. Watch him about that. I think when he name Bob. See him there? About this. All of them are him. You can put out the picture there, I couldn't see him. It's around my backyard. Yes? I him that. Look him plate them. All them that eat him, I eat and throw them, give the pigeon. Hey. Hey. Look him sit down now, in that chair there. Him not like sleep in a bed, at the same take for him bed. The chair, right? The same take for him bed. All me give me in a room, is sleeping at the chair. Yep. Look pan him when he got him friend funeral. Look pan nice clothes and put on when me buy. When I tell me buy one shoes, give the man come back from stem, me say the whole of the shoes but and bust off. Me so fool, me believe him. Run gone over there and tell the man say, oh, the shoes broke off. Me shame the man show me the same shoes. Say the shoes don't have a bottom, is the shoes that all making one. This is him. This is him when me they get cussed out from Dr. Love and Taya. When them go for him at the airport, the way he look like a madman and sit down on the bench. The who go pick him up, couldn't find him because they never know him. No say him that. And then cuss me. And then tell me all kind of thing. You see when you see the yellow cab right out there, so is a phone in call me and the yellow cab. Drop him off and me tell me sister open the door. Me think it was a madman. I come in. See it there? Yeah. Come in, Maya. This is him right here so again. This is him when time I'm already lock him up the first lock up. And him I go home at Jamaica. Me say put on full suit of red. And we're go down to take off crosses off from my airport. Him I go. When him I go to the airport, the man I tremble like leave. Therefore, me saw somebody when me know at airport, they make me walk him to the end because I get so nervous. See him there? Me always there for him. He said in my house, a one boy pit me have. And me always say me have one boy child. I'm gonna treat people bad. There's no way for me to treat him bad. I'll do him have him dirty way. Watch him. I try and enclose him, you know. Then so me give me dead husband clothes for wear. My husband clothes can't fit back because my husband yes, Jiggy. My friend named Tommy. She died. No, Gully, but she died this year. Yes, this year she died. Yeah. See him there? In my house. Me have all the picture of them. Yep. Yeah. Go back and you show them my husband. My husband is a thick man. Old man. So, when them attack say me wear my husband dead clothes, my husband never dead. My husband still alive today. There's 86-year-old and strong and going. This is my husband. Still alive. 86-year-old. Strong man. 86 years old. So fin clothes couldn't fit back. Could never fit back. So when time them attack all kind of thing and I chat all kind of bad things about me, I'm a good woman. You know how much people do me things? You know how much people do even since recently. There's a girl was living here and she moved out. And after she moved out, she'd have something for me and I get it. And from she get it, she don't talk to me. And she's gonna be the nether bap. Because the man grateful and grateful worse than Obia. But she now get the luck for me help her. I would help her because Bob never have the whole line sense them I walk with. I'm already doing very bad. So people, this is the motive of my conversation is here. Who want to help him? You could help him. Encourage me and tell me all kind of things. Displeasable thing. All kind of thing he curse me and tell me. I'm telling you. All kind of thing. Him tell me. I'm still there for him. Yeah? I do not know Tommy Faye, so I don't want nobody to come mix me up with Tommy Faye. And Amari talking to Gully Bop family them. So she knows she know that Gully Bop was sick. She know that Gully Bop was sick. Everybody know that he was sick because every minute it flash all about like when lightning a flash pan the computer, pan the news with the Gully Bop. She know that. So when Tell me for them I put in the comment for call Olive. Olive do what she feel like do. Because me have one boy pitney, I mean, I don't know what could happen in the midst of his life or in the midst of anything can he drive and any accident could happen. So I always there. I tell you he's somebody child. You understand? I was looking for another picture to show you when he over Catty and he called me and tell me to come take him for over Catty because when he go over there, him think him that going to Paradise Cove. He never know say him a go where him a go. Alright. When him over Catty, me there Queens a fish shop gone buy fish. And he called me and tell me to come for him. Come for him. And I said, okay, where you there? And I go over there. This is the picture. And this I did make headline when me go over Queens and go pick him up in that same shop then me take a picture with him. And everybody run all about with the live and make money and fight. This when me go to Queens go pick him up. The time when him just left I cut him here look good. Yeah? Me take care of Bap like Bapa my pick me. Me never look nobody, me never look no man, me never look nobody because me have a husband. My husband is American citizen. Me never look nobody. So when all them people sit up online and I carry me down and I carry me all about around the place and I talk all kind of thing, me a monkey, all that loving they do me really bad. Real bad. Amari beat me, come beat me, cause and sometimes I work for Amari. People are said to me, say, you really have watched Amari? Yes, you used to call me monkey all along. Let out the monkey. Every time I pass, every time I kill my teeth, and I laugh, never know say I'm the monkey. He go so far that he tell, he did have one in England. What she wanted that England? She said she go sue me and put out GoFundMe and put out my name. Say me do GoFundMe. Me never put out GoFundMe. Me don't even know how to do GoFundMe. If I GoFundMe I go do, and my children, my grandchildren then do it for me. Me don't know. Yeah, she go sue me. Let me tell you something. Them say let the weep and the tears stay on the day of harvest. But Bob, me I tell you something to the right you now. Me don't know if you can change your mind because themselves the head of the stream dirty. There's nothing can cut it and clean it. But more things out there to come. A lot more out there to come. And you have to take your life in your hand. You sing one song, you make one music and say you're dead already, you're not dead again. You don't know when the time, everybody have to die, but we don't know when the time is gonna come. But you got to try and stop disrespect people. Because everybody are going to take a disrespect and still turn around and help you. Because people will say, me a fool and me a this and that. No. I am not a fool. I just have a soft heart. Let me say me ugly. So me have a face of a devil and a heart of an angel. And I'm not an ugly woman. I'm a beautiful black woman. But people likes to call people name on the computer. People used to call people name, all kind of name. They make me remember Tommy Grant. Make me like a monkey. Put a monkey on my face. Yes. Yes. It's mental illness. Yeah. Dr. Love. Taya. All of them. Bob say him gone to church and he named Brother Malcolm now then call him. The pastor there, he know why him bring thing there. In church must want repair or something. But it's some scamming business him depend. He ain't settled down or him have to go, him can't stay too long because him have things to do. How him pass going a thing there? Me not think them have to let in people. Thank you, Simone. Yeah? Me think say you have to get appointment for going there so because I know when people go there, Dana run them. Me don't have nothing against Dana. But, may I tell you, if it's some if it's some hoax or wanna go on with it, be careful. Me I tell you now. But my divas and my dance and the plankers and the boss lady and everybody page, it's not gonna hurt you if you all send a $5 or a $10 and help him. And Donna, no, in an argument with Amari go come back by you like a thief in the night. Me not have nothing against it, but me I tell you she will come back like a thief in the night. I remember when the lady did carry me name to her, she come and she talk everything and cuss me out, and then later on she just lash back on the girl and cuss out the girl and hungry girl. Amari don't have nothing, she's hungry. You know, see Amari and Bap look same way. The two of them look alike, but Uncle thing say she in a clean clothes and Bap in a dirty clothes. And people who could help him with his colostomy bag, who could help him with food, y'all help him. But who I'm sending my money to, y'all not gonna know. The person still gonna think that when I was on the phone, that's the person who called me. I wish I send things and give them for Bap. Yeah? He say he wants some underwear, he want this and want that. Anytime I know anybody I go down, I send it for him. And he's not my child, but because I may have a soft heart. My heart is so soft to people and likes to help. So people, this is all what I come to say. He is a bad man. He have dirty ways. He must be have jumbie ride him hour. But you can help him still. When I come telling you this phone and not help him. Help him because him have a problem. He can't help himself. You just don't, he come like